Imagine you and your friends have been arguing for 20 minutes about where to go for dinner. Finally, you stop everyone and say, "Guys, listen, it all boils down to this. Do you want pizza or sushi?" Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb boil down to. This phrase comes from cooking. Imagine you have a big pot of soup with lots of water. If you heat it for a long time, the water evaporates and you are left with just the strong concentrated flavor at the bottom. In conversation, we use this to cut through the noise. When a situation is complicated, stressful, or confusing, you use boil down to identify the single most important reason or the main point. Hey, I want you to try using this right now. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these next examples carefully and then write your own. Here are 4 more practical examples. Example 1. Most relationship problems usually boil down to a lack of communication. Example 2. I want that new car, but it boils down to money. I just can't afford it. Example 3. Success on YouTube often boils down to consistency and practice. Example 4. The reason he failed the test boiled down to the fact that he didn't study. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. What does your success boil down to? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.